Today we're looking at a Kohler 7000 series V-twin engine. I'm going to be adjusting the ignition module air gap. Now this process is going to be the same or very similar for the Kohler Courage series, V-twin and single, as well as the 7000 series. So your ignition module air gap is going to be around 8 to 12 thousandths. For the Kohler Courage singles, it's that as well. The Kohler Courage twins, like with the DSAM, Smart Spark, those are I think 10 to 13 thousandths, but it's in that range. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this blower shroud. So on this particular engine, it's on a 0 turn, so I'm going to have to remove this flywheel guard. And then we're going to pull off the air filter cover, remove the 3 screws there. I already removed these 2 fuel pump screws, and then we have to loosen 4 5/16 bolts, and then we can pull up the blower shroud. Set that aside. Okay, now we can remove the cover. Just like that. Now you have access to your ignition modules. So what we're going to want to do is rotate the engine over until the flywheel magnet is centered on the ignition module there. And then we're going to loosen these 2 screws, pull it back, put our feeler gauge in there, or you can also use a standard business card with around a 10 thousandths thickness. And then we're going to let the magnet pull the module up to the feeler gauge there, and then we're going to tighten down the 2 mounting screws to 35 to 55 inch-pounds. So now you can watch me adjust the gap here. We'll rotate it to right there, align the magnet. Okay, the magnet's aligned there with the coil. Now we'll take our feeler gauge, we'll pull this back, put it in between, and let the magnet pull it against the feeler gauge. Now I'm using a 13 thousandths feeler gauge here. I just like using it a little bit over because once it gets all pushed tight, it'll get squeezed down a little bit, a few thousandths less. And then it will be right in the range that the manufacturer specifies of 8 to 12 thousandths. So we'll pull it back. Get the feeler gauge in there straight, just like that, and then we'll let it pull it tight. Okay, now we'll make sure this is snug. You don't want to push it hard, but just make sure it's snug against the feeler gauge, and then we'll tighten these screws down. Now the torque spec, like I said, is 35 to 55 inch-pounds. Just like that. Right there. Right there. Now we'll go ahead and rotate the flywheel to remove the feeler gauge. And then we'll take our other feeler gauges and make sure it's within that limit there. And if we do it there, 12 thousandths barely fits. Check the middle. 8 fits well. We'll check this edge. 8 fits well. We'll check that edge. Perfect. It's within the range. So now make sure your wires are all hooked up. And then do the same to the other side if you're adjusting that side as well. Now we'll go ahead and throw the blower housing back on and tighten down the 5/16 bolts, and then install the fuel pump bolts as well. Alright, now make sure your wires are all in the right place. There's nothing contacting the flywheel or anything. Also good time to inspect your cylinder fins, make sure there's no mouse nests or buildup, and then we'll install the cover. You'll have to kind of wiggle it into place. It got to get all the bolts in their spots. Make sure the spark plug wires are in their spots. Don't go too tight on these, they aren't very strong. So tighten those 4 all the way around. Again, low torque. That's all it needs right there. That's all there is to adjusting the ignition module air gap on the Kohler 7000 series engine. Hey, if you liked the video, go ahead and like it. It means a lot to me. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe. I appreciate all my new subscribers, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching.